Hey guys, me Misha. Everything I say is not financial advice, my personal opinion. Um, let's wrap up the day. I'll have to leave early. I did a little funsies here on 5 minutes. Right here. Didn't wait for the test for this upthrust after this volume, and then it goes higher. Then, uh, anyways, doesn't matter. I made back some penny. uh, well, I'm not gonna fix my break even on Intel. First of all, it's crumbles. Second of all, it's let me make some money on Intel. Um, IWM. Why am I looking in this break? That's our potential. There's room to go, and there's room to grow for the price. Ours doesn't matter. Don't matter. It's gonna close probably the break. This thing goes up. That's that's funny. Yeah, here's Intel. One by reversal, good volumes. Damn, it can. It's tempting to close it, but it's tempting to close it, but I won't. DTM, Posy, Merrick, Merck. Why do you call it Merrick? Merck. Just enter here without test. Lockheed Martin. Yeah, enter here without test. Part two. Part two. This guy. It's a break. It's kind of a good continuation of the trend. Oh, and we don't need continuation of the trend on this stock. Yeah. Up thrust. That would need a test. That's interesting. But I don't see how I could have participated in this party. It's again, it's weird volume for correction. No earnings, no dividends. This crazy gap. This crazy gap. This crazy gap is killing me. I must confess, I still believe, still believe. Don't judge me. I'm an early millennial. Yeah, too much volume is my word. It's too big. You want it to be big, but not too big. So yeah. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No bueno. Continuation of the trend. 0.5 bounced of it. And now flops as the flag in the wind or sock. You know, the drop zone airfield, they call it sock. The thing that shows where the wind the wind blows. Yeah, this thing went without me. I was getting continuation of the trend, but who cares? But who cares? Boom. And this volume. Baby, I must confess, I still believe, still believe. Da, da, da. Hit me, baby, one more time. Please don't unsubscribe. I'm not gonna do it again, I promise. It's a break. It's gonna be a break, so. Boom. And this looks like it's gonna be a break as well. Okay, let's go through our daisies. Look at the Uber guy. Annoying. Um, this doesn't make any sense anymore. I think change direction, confirm the change, or whatever it wants to do. Yeah, I don't know what to do with it. What to make of it, rather. Huh. Look, it's gonna be a transitioning strum. What we are seeing today is an automatic rally. And Via Hermosa Chavez claims that some weak coffee and traders take advantage of it? I have no idea. Yeah, of course, look at this. But yeah, where's the guarantee? I say of course because it went down, but where's the guarantee it's gonna go down? Not just shoot up, aka Intel. Boom, this volume and then goes higher. Why not? There's no rule that says that after the exhaustion volume, it has to go down. It's a tendency, probability, and there's a difference. So yeah, I'll be waiting for levels. This goes higher. Remember I was complaining that can't do anything here? An hourly? What can I do? What can I do? You see, like I'm doing musicals now for you guys. The heck is this? There's a break. So that's a sign of strength. However, however, no point five. And why do I look short at it? We're like far beyond 0.5. So that would be the level. You know what this is? Yeah, why am I looking short already at this guy? Uh-uh. Uh-uh. Is Walmart one and done. Hmm. Tesla is at the levels. Counter trend. We need a close manipulation signal to trade the banana. Banana banana. Hey, come back. Tesla guy. Yeah. Volume, but this volume does not look good to me. Nothing really matters to me. You guys, I was doing ADR yesterday for a Michael movie. Freddie Mercury, Michael Jackson. I mean, do you see the following? Maybe I'm just like so disattached from American culture so that they're I'm not saying they're the same caliber, but they're both are like huge social, cultural, and political phenomenon. So I think it's understandable that while talking about while humming Freddie Mercury, I remembered Michael, especially since I worked on it yesterday. It's gonna be one bar rule soon, and I love both. Uh, and less than anything, I thought that I'll become a minority one day myself, ethnic minority, for the purpose of this conversation. And according to US Census Bureau, it's a good 0.5. It's like it's nowhere. It didn't go down here. So it's indecisive on the year. It's a good legit level on months. It's aggressive thing. It's a break. Yeah, yeah. It's a break. Was there were there was there anything I could do in 5 minutes maybe? Look, there's no volume. Volume died. GIED. And absolutely no volume here. Yeah, yeah. Nothing in 5 minutes. One bar roll and then yeah. It's an interesting level. Heck is this? I have a construction slowly starting close to me. It's like, it's a deal breaker. I don't want to leave for a year. Mm. And I'm at home a lot. Maybe that will change. Well, that's a break. Look at this guy. It just goes. That's a break. It's low. Still too many stocks on my list. Just go, just go. It's called to balance. Just for the purpose of this conversation. It's called to balance. 1, 2, 1. Yeah, no, it's balance. It's one bar rule. That been sign of strength. We got the local exchange. Look at this guy. Annoying. Doesn't it do on me all the time? Annoying. Okay. What happened here today? Ay, ay, ay. We didn't need a close manipulation signal. We changed the direction. We got the mm, sign of strength. We got the up thrust. A little bit above 0.5, but not critically. Oh god, what is this volume though? You see it? Because I do. Yeah. Volume top thrust, good volume. Yeah, that was an entry. This was an entry. Maybe something on 5 minutes too. Mm, Down, down, up, up, up. Sure, nothing. Yeah, this was a trade. Volume though, yeah, maybe this counts. And this was a volume. Um, it's a little bit hairy that it's below the T1, but it's trend. Everything is good. No, everything is good here. But then this volume comes in. I don't even think it's real. Oh, and the the trading view replied about, you remember this like week, the crazy week? What was it like on Verizon? No, not Verizon. Vodafone, Verizon yesterday. It's it said like TradingView replied, TradingView support replied like, hey, we don't care. It's just like what this applies with, we feed it to you. And if exchange will do some correction, we'll do correction as well. That wouldn't go at all. There wouldn't be any loss. You guys, I'm bleeding on Russian market. Just bleeding. So just so you know. Break one bar rule. That becomes a sign of strength. We are past its potential. So maybe only day trade. Flat, boring environment, which is generated by smart money to uh, keep all retailers away during the accumulation consolidation campaign, which I do think is accumulation here at these levels. Oh yeah. However, I'm a retailer, so I'm staying away. The heck is going on here? I don't know. It's a great build up. I think it's, yeah, it's a consolidation. Yeah, this guy. Apparently, the stock exchange doesn't want to correct anything here. Cisco looks like we are getting the I think I'm gonna put it on the monthly watch now. Tiro broke even and missed a bigger trade. This one. Um. Uh. Uh. Yeah. I don't know why I'm missing the party. Wasn't invited and just don't want to be rude. That's not the legitimate reason to miss the party. I think I should start labeling counter trend trades differently. So my marking is now like not the best. Netflix just woo. People don't want a Netflix by um, Warner Brothers. People are against. Market is against. Market's like, no, no, you're not buying anything from 140 to 90. It's quite a drop, don't you think? Okay, that's it. I'm gonna let you go. You guys have a great weekend to yourself. Um, yeah, enjoy. Take care.